glamorous assistant.
I
don't think that's on. Well, hi guys, another review.
Hi.
As you can see, it's a Hitway e-bike and it is the BK6S L1 folding.
Right, mouthful.
I've done right well to remember that. Folding electric e-bike, guys. So it's come in a box. Obviously, it must be folded up because it doesn't seem a very big, long box. So it must be, you know.
It's not too heavy, is it either? So there's
Bloody
a bike in there. Well, I know, not as heavy as some of the bikes we've had.
Anyway, we'll unpack it, guys, and we'll see what we've got. As always, build it up, and we will do the spec on it and everything. So I've got my scissors, so we're just going to open the box up. So we'll open the box. I've taken bands off. See what's in this. I think it's exciting, isn't it, though? I love opening things. It's like Christmas, it is. To form. Oh, look at that! Looks like it's got a rear seat.
Yeah.
Oh, that means you'll be able to pedal and I'll be able to go on back, Zoe, and you'll be able to take me around.
Oh God, no, I don't think so. Imagine that.
Anyway, this is what you're going to get in box, all folded up, like I said. I'm going to get all this out and see what there is.
That looks like a right nice comfy
Looks
seat.
right, I've had to see that so far, doesn't it? We've not had a bike like that before, have we?
No.
So let's get it unpacked. Right, so I've just taken all the packaging off it. There's quite a lot of packaging on it. Well protected. And this is as it comes out of the box. So it's already folded, or nearly folded up. And then it comes with, you've got the battery charger, we've got a bike lock, toolkit, instructions, bicycle pump, tyre pump, 2 pedals, the seat, and also a rack, a bit looks at it. So let's have a go at building this bike up and see what it's like. So all I've done is just fold it out and put lock on. I will show you how this bike does fold up. It comes with a battery already on the bike, but that will be detachable to recharge it, I would have thought. So I'm going to put the steering rack on, which will go in there, I would imagine. Yeah, and seat on, and then all we'll have to do is clamp the bike rack on, which I presume will go on the front here. So all I've done is just drop this handlebar stem into this, and then on here is a quick release lever. So all I've done is just dropped it in and tightened that up, and that's got it. It's so
simple to do.
Quite easy to build up this compared to some we've had. So all I've got to do in there is drop seat in, put pedals on, and bolt rack onto the front here. As you can see the 4 bolts here, and it's done.
Yeah, of course.
How easy is that?
It usually takes you ages to put a bike together.
Yeah, maybe you have to take me around on it on back, Zoe, with seat on. Look.
I've only been to take rubbish to the bin and you've basically built it up.
Pedals are easy to screw on. There is a left and right, and they're just threaded, so you just locate it, he says. Locate it in there, he says. We'll do that again. Pedals just screw on left and right, so that has it got to go that way. Is it left hand thread? No, it's not.
I'm just laughing at a Bodhie. He keeps dropping his toy there for you.
Is it?
Yeah. He just sees it.
Yeah, it's a left hand thread, so there you go.
I just see it as playtime, don't you, Bodhie?
And then in my toolkit, Zoe, I've got a spanner.
What you got?
I've got a spanner and some Allen keys. I can tighten that up, look. How clever am I? I'm not that clever because it's a left hand thread. That's it.
Boss is just coming to check you're alright.
Tight. Right, it's built up. That didn't take long at all to build up, that.
No, 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
Not that. Did really well with that. So easy to build up, that, guys. So I've come to switch it on though, but there's no power to the battery. So I'm just going to show you how to take this battery out to charge it up, because I will have to put charge. You can either charge it whilst it's on the bike, because there is a charge point there, as you can see. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to take the battery out to charge it up off bike. So you would have to quick release here, get the saddle out. You would need the keys. You do get 2 keys with it. So turn the key and there's a pin at the back. Can you see that?
Oh yeah.
That's to go right in.
Silver pin, yeah.
And then it lifts straight out like that.
Yeah, it's very easy.
How easy is that? So can charge that up in van. That's just a quick release for saddle that. On there. But yeah, charge it up, eh?
Brilliant.
Darling.
Get it charged up then, so I can't wait to get on it.
She's here, stunt rider.
Put my trousers up, got my helmet on.
Can't get her off it now, guys. She's already taken it for a ride. Look at mud on tyres now, Zoe. Brand new bike and you got mud on tyres. I can't believe it.
It's muddy on that track.
So I've slotted the battery back in, as you can see. So you have to have the keys in for it to go, guys. So you have to make sure that the key is on, like that. And then it should power up. So press and hold it for 5 seconds. There we go, comes on. You can see that. So we've got 3 power settings. So you've got your plus and minus here. So you got 1, 2, 3 power settings, and then you can go back the other way. To put the lights on, you press and hold that. Is it for 3 seconds?
For around 3 seconds, yes.
Yeah, light icons come on there, so it should have got lights on. I don't know if you can see it in the sun or not. Yeah, lights are on. I like that with 2 lights at the front. And then it's also got rear light as well. It's 7-speed. Change your gears by your lever here, guys, so you can go up and down. There's another lever
Shimano gears.
here, Shimano gear, so you can go down and you can go up your gears, and then that tells you what gear you're in. Disc brakes on it. There's a bell on it. So I'll show you disc brakes. So it is disc brakes front and rear. It is foldable, and I'll show you how to fold it up. It's got front suspension, front fork suspension, as you can see. And then it's got suspension in the seat. So you can see that gator there. So that's your cushion and your suspension on the back. The seat is detachable if you just wanted the rack on it instead of the seat. You've got the side stand with it. Come around this side. We're going to spec on it then, Zoe.
Yeah, the range is around 250 kilometres.
That's the range on the battery, guys. If you're on a full charge battery, anything between 70 to 120 kilometres, depending on how you ride it and how much power you use of it, of course.
What terrain do you use it
No,
on?
it's a bi-love, it's not a terrain.
But I just want to say about the battery as well, it is a 15.6 AH lithium battery.
Right.
The top speed is 15 miles per hour, 15.5, which is legally road worthy.
Yeah, it's road legal at that speed, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the UK legal cap. So
yeah.
You can use that. I also want to mention these fat tyres.
These tyres, these fat tyres that are covered in mud, Zoe, is that what you're telling me? I'll show you tyres, guys.
20 by 3 inch fat tyres, which make it a lot more comfortable ride, actually. That's what the fat tyres are for.
Oh, see. But the most important thing, for me, the most important thing about a bike is how much does it weigh? Because with motorhomes, we're all weight conscious, aren't we? And I'm always concerned with these e-bikes because we've had some that have been really heavy, towards 60 kilograms, haven't we?
Yeah.
So I'm really concerned about the weight of this bike. So the weight of it. Go on then, Zoe.
For an e-bike, I think this is pretty lightweight. I mean, you can get slightly lighter ones, but this is 29 kilograms.
Which I don't think is bad. 29 kilograms is not bad. The bike I've got in back at Van's 22 kilograms, but it's not it's not a folding one, is it?
No.
So for 29 kilograms, for weight of it, it's not bad, is it? That I don't think.
Because I can. I'm not that strong, but I can usually quite manage it to turn around and lift the front bit up. Yeah, it's manageable for me.
So it does have your front bike rack. You don't have to have that on, guys. You can take it off if you want to do it without. And you could just take the seat off the back and use that as your rack.
When you get this bike, you get like a barcode on your LCD screen. And if you scan that code, you can download this weight app.
Ooh, let's have a look.
So,
alright, okay.
Yeah, it says that the battery level is 100%.
Yeah.
And you can turn your headlights on actually with that.
Alright.
Look,
All
it says lights is on. And you can actually change the level, the speed level.
Alright.
And I've only just had a quick ride. I've done 0.3 miles on it. So you can change your units and record your routes on here.
And, go on then, it's got a tracker on it, hasn't it?
Yes. Yes,
She can tell you where the bike is on an app.
Navigation. Ooh. There you go.
There we go. Can you see that blue dot, guys? That's where the bike is. Can you believe that?
Got a tracker on it on your arm.
Bloody tracker on bike. That's absolutely brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's an entry-level e-bike. Now, it's classed as an entry-level stroke mid-level. It is, how much do I weigh?
£699.
Yeah, £699. There is a discount code of £30 off if you order it through the link in our descriptions that we will put on.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to have a go at folding this up. So there is a lever at front here. So that will fold down like that. And then there's another lever on the side here, Zoe. Showing this lever here. You push forward and release it. Here we go. And then that should bend in two. No, put stand up. Let's put stand up, Zoe. Here we go. There we go.
Does it clip together or anything? No, does it just stay like that? Mind you, it's not going to come apart, is it?
No, not at all. So going in a boot or a car or something like that, if you limited space in your garage for your motorhome, and that was quite easy to do. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
to fold up.
Yeah, that would go into a boot or a car, wouldn't it? Folded up like that.
Yeah. Yeah, it would. So quite simple, really, isn't it?
Yeah,
very easy to put together.
Very basic.
You're going to take it for a ride again then and show
I
everybody?
am, yeah.
Right, we'll unfold it then, Zoe. So to unfold it, we'll just do the exact opposite.
Are you going to get on back?
Well, not with you driving, I'm not. And then that up. There we go.
So,
There's no crossbar here, guys, so it's easy for Zoe to get on and off it.
So I'm going to start it on level 1. Start off slow while I get used to it.
Bye.
Wow, this is so comfortable and easy to use. Hey, I love this. I can go a lot faster if I want to. Do you want me to go fast?
Get it on power 3.
It's lovely and smooth.
Level 3. Here she goes. Hold on.
Wow.
What do you think then, darling?
That is a lovely bike. Very comfortable and very easy to use.
I've got a feeling you're keeping it.
Yes, definitely.
Well, it's easier for you, and you can get on and off it easy because they don't have this crossbar. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I love the colour as well. They come in a few different colours, silver, blue and red. But I like the black one, that's why I picked it.